As to the
Secretary Nancy A.
Yeah,
Catamco.
yes, Senator, sorry.
ahead.
Good morning po. Maraming salamat po. As to the claim that the 1,600 hectares ay wala pong mga community doon, ay totoo po, pero meron pong standing claim yung IP for ancestral domain. So, may title po na may claim po sila for the AD. So yun po yung tinitingnan natin kasi may mga although hanggang ngayon matagal na po yung kanilang claim 1994 pa ay nag-apply na sila for their ancestral domain pero hindi po sila na-approve kasi po may mga disputes po, leadership disputes at kailangan pa po din nila i-prove yung kanilang claim na yan. And besides, meron din pong title yung BCDA na issued 2016 titled na the same claim ng IP na 10,000 hectares, the same claim po ng BCDA 10,000 hectares ay titled sa kanila ng 2016.
Secretary Nancy, may sinasabi siya na 40 houses. Tama. And those 40 houses, ito po yung mga bahay ng mga indigenous people?
No, as may director po ang sabi po ng aming provincial officers.
14 houses.
Ang sabi po ng aming provincial officer ay 75 but still
75.
household po.
So may 14, may 7, hindi magkakaparehong numero ninyo.
Hindi po.
Ilan ba talaga?
Si Chief Pet po.
Wala kayong ginagawang census and survey? Ano bang klase yan? Matagal na ito pinag-uusapan. Until now, you don't have the exact numbers?
No, we are doing po.
Ilan nga po yung exact numbers?
As of now nga po, ang sinabi ng IPMR ay 75 household po.
75 household. Have you conducted an interview? Did you talk to each and every family dun sa bahay na yon?
Yes po.
So, 75 ang maapektuhan. O, magkaiba sa BCD.
Si
BCD
Chief Pet po, nandito rin po, yung Chief
Mr. Chair.
So at least if we can
siguro
recognize.
si Mayor, magamit natin yung
Mr. Chair, may I be,
Mayor,
magandang umaga po.
sandali po. Mayor Rosalia Rodriguez, Mayor ng Municipality of Capas. Mayor, go ahead, sir.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Based on the report, kasi po pina-census ko na po ito during our social service programs. Actually po, pwedeng i-reconcile. More or less po, 40 houses, ito po yung mga permanent houses po na talagang tinitirhan. And then, papasok po na magiging 75, may mga scattered houses po. Ito yung po yung mga parang transient house ng mga farmers during planting season, tumitira po. And then after that, uuwi na po sa ibang mga barangay.
Okay, so temporary lang habang during planting season.
Yes.
Okay,
Mr.
ito yung
Chair.
mga IP and mga farmers at the same time.
Mixed po yung community. There are IPs and non-IPs residing po.
Ayun, okay. Last.